Hello everyone, today we will conduct a self-adhesive tensile test on Walson silicone self-adhesive tape to fully demonstrate the adhesiveness of the self-adhesive tape. First, we cut the self-adhesive tape into a rectangle. Then hold the two ends of the cut self-adhesive tape. Squeeze the middle part to make the self-adhesive tape stick together. After sticking, let it stand for 10 seconds, and then pull the two ends to verify its adhesiveness. Put the self-adhesive tape into the tensile tester, connect the two ends to the upper and lower fixed rollers respectively. After fixing, start the tensile test. The self-adhesive tape is pulled by tension after self-adhesion. Observe the pulling marks and the display tensile value to verify its adhesiveness. The self-adhesive tape was pulled off before it was fully unfolded. The tensile test value we obtained is 0.75 kgf, which is converted to the unit of force as 7 newtons. The test proves that Walson silicone self-adhesive tape has high self-adhesiveness, which can form a strong bonding force within 10 seconds after winding, achieving effective self-adhesion and long-term sealing.